move on, I actually want to just take a few minutes to talk about how to organize your mods. Um, as we saw, there's a mods folder now within your hidden Minecraft folder. That holds the mods that you're currently playing with. So you really need to have a secondary place where you store mods that you're not playing with at the moment. And so I found that if we have a naming convention for how we name them, it helps find them more quickly down the road. So um, I showed you when we were downloading a mod that as soon as you download it, that's the best time to change its name. And you want the name of the mod to begin with the version of Minecraft that it runs on. Sometimes they come like that automatically, most of the time not. Often it would be like Lucky Blocks 4 1.7.10 at the end of the name of the mod. Sometimes it doesn't include it at all. So, which is another reason why making sure you add that at the beginning of the name is going to save you trouble down the road. If you come across the mod and you don't know which version it's for and you have to do a bunch of research, it's kind of a hassle. So um, in this example, here's where I show you how I name them. I use brackets. 1.7.10 is the version of Minecraft, and then you can call it whatever you want. So in my second bullet here, I say you can modify the name so that it's recognizable to you. The mods, as I said, come with unique naming conventions. Just whoever developed it names it what they want. You don't have to keep that original name. So you could adjust the name so it's recognizable to you. It's still going to run. It's not going to be a problem. So what I do is I create a folder called Mods Unused within the Minecraft folder. So let me give you an example here. Here is our Minecraft folder now. Once you added Forge, you got a mods folder, and that's where you would put the mod that you are currently playing with. And when you want to play without mods, or you want to switch to a different mod, you would put the new mods in the mods folder. So what I do is I create a new folder. I call it Mods Unused. You notice I don't call it Unused Mods because then it puts it down here, and I want it right next to the folder for the mods. So I think I've already moved that out. But let's say that we had been playing the Lucky Blocks mod. So in our mods folder right now is the Lucky Blocks mod. And when I'm done playing it, or let's say I found a new mod, I want to just move it into the unused mods folder. Now my mods folder is empty and available for other mods to go in it. And what you end up with here is a nice little library that's all organized by version. Let's see if I can find some other examples. So these were mods that we downloaded earlier. I'm just going to pull them out so we can play with them for a minute. So here's one, custom NPCs, 1.7.10c, all these numbers. That's what the developer named it. I would immediately go in and rename it 1.7.10 custom NPCs, and I would probably just get rid of all this other stuff that doesn't mean anything to me. So now it's recognizable. Same thing with Emerald Mod. I would take this, rename it. Now you're getting a nice little list of things in order. And then I just say, I adjust the settings on my folder so that the files are listed by name rather than date, so that you're seeing them, organized by version. And then also, if I have mods that run together, for instance, there's one that needs a core mod to run with it. So I just make a folder, and I put in the folder, Little Blocks Needs Slime Void. That's the name of the folder. And then I put the two mods in it together. So just something to think about as you start creating your own mod library. You'll find that very beneficial.